Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Regrob.com where we deliver actual videos of residential as well as commercial projects. So friends, in today's video, we'll give you the actual view of Spectrum at Metro commercial project which is located in Noida sector 75. So friends, here you can take the exterior view of project. It's a commercial development by Blue Square Infrastructure LLP. This project is sprawled over 6 acres of land and carries 4 number of towers. It's an under construction project and it offers office space, retail shops and serviced apartments. This project is just situated opposite to metro station, as here you can take the view of metro station. So the connectivity from this project is excellent. It offers world-class facilities for the people in vicinity and across other NCR regions. The project is well equipped with all modern amenities and services to facilitate the business needs. The site is well connected by different modes of transportation and is in close proximity to various civic utilities. It's an under construction project and the construction work is going on in full swing. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit inquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.